But kind of born on the crowd that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, no.
And my days, let them flow in endless race. Take my life and let it be consecrated.
How old were you by then?
We are now 15 years.
How did they break the news to you?
At the chain Monday, they were rushing as almost sending them if them when they were very busy. But other than many Namanda because na me nim ni esi. As a me brahma aba obia ba na me yamu hyehyɛ me kakra me nim na esi nti me bisa asɛm ma me wɛn pa. Okay, you call Madam for Joyce on by. The man can't tell me because none or other woman be an eye out connected. But on Koda and Hoda. The name one was say, or more can't say, or down. The other she almost went to me, put a buy no say, ah, Monkanch and then a bayano. But then they see you and yes, any partners why they were. In some kind of see carboma. The minister, the all can know soon. Into a twan, and I mean, I say, no, me no be minty, now, Martina from. Metena from na me started because na so nimpo mba na ase me njindi me gidi bi ase me njindi na so nimpo mama me ka boni na mentimi nso a eyie ni mu ni na mentimi nso ba eyie ni twa mu no asa na me started se me so no na me hu say yes she is gone.
Afidie akane pass 6 e wo dan mu plus your brother 7 still fear mu ntua ne ka still obedan mu ka. What, how did you survive?
Yeah, anyway, tools, baby, pen or buy some Jessica. And see, Papa, now, or the carbon, I could deal with and I'm going to be best also because not Kakra, oh no, because now if we are a tourist into I think the Iraq was then by I can't see you digging to know your pentem. Our bosses and now or the carnival man. So no support here. So it was there 6 months to 1 year. And also Ojaya because only me shares. The only no say me and I started boy me and I'm person me call Juma. Because boy papa be or your phone since me got now and no cook room work of funny amaba. The now me
what high school no cry?
Oh, school need me JHS nanka was a mekono. That year my mammy and yes come my uncle to share say 2016.
Okay.
Na matwaso. And say carbon. Yes.
Papa na wokot na ne chain buano with semu ton for mu yes na ote him.
Oh, dome.
Okay.
Oh yeah, crepe onti me. Or
physically challenged?
Yes.
Ow. Well, that girl, why are you crying? You've been crying for the past 20 minutes. I'm asking you, why are you crying? You can't tell me why you are crying.
Because I don't know what it is.
You are welcome to Best Entertainment Show.
If I first get to Ukotnaya, which was the first guest who you stayed?
Domi Cemetery.
Domi Cemetery.
Yes.
Ukotnaya in Chenwo.
It's a ghetto.
Na ghetto, just say, na were you staying on your own or you were patching with somebody?
No, I met a friend after my mom died, like 3 months. I buy na minya lady be down for. No free konkoma. Those ghettos na oba Accra say oba on to berenti on ti na me kosa fie on na me ko hu na me ne fa down for. Enti no smoke. Na me kotena na nchen ya bi on mu a me ne kotena honum na me hwe nya oye the way or chichi no or yeah we na say me I wanted to learn it. Me nim nya na em de bad. After a honum na men shada nko ne nchen. The last bi na me call no honum. No say menje na menje tre me de. Na me so na me de ai. So no na che me say na me really enya de then e ka honum me baby na mpese me really. Na me she. So I was smoking me kono obi me smoke till my brothers found out say they be saying and they were very angry with me. They even came to the lady and confronted her and had lots, but that time no. Na me.
Did you get addicted to smoking weed?
Yes, I got very, very addicted.
What age were you by then?
I was 16.
At what age did you get introduced to men?
Come again, please.
At what age na we started say wundi mbe masem?
Okay. I know the answer that me fancy be 17, 18.
17, 18. We'll get to meet you and watch real and I know say about no saying.
Through that partner.
Church I mean what was saying or the woman will be before and so
I met a lot of people in the ghetto.
You met a lot of people in the ghetto. And
I met friends, I met a lot of people until everyone ma to make us a young house. There will be maybe 9, 10 half in a car, then we'll be going out. I really felt na me there, but Yakobia manage into nana mabe addicted. I was Yakobia any boys nako. Some people have had accidents. We to come we anymore by no many accidents and things. So I was very and now my sister so soon die from my parents. That also sometimes it's very bad. I have to stay away from them. But and starting when me beg God say hate yeah. I really suffered. Like me break I wanted to stop because I was afraid someone might expose me. So I was going through depression because I'm sure. And someone tried it. Am I mad? But I didn't know. The people around me now. I'm more cancer. Somebody say Lady B. They showed the post to me and everything. She even posted it. So I was feeling nervous. Let me say, it's I didn't see. And I'm in then I was very
what exactly did the person post about you?
She posted this lady when everyone so like, do you all know that girl? The lady the talented lady you like so much about me say and I'm open myself. You don't know what this lady does. She's in Juchamo. Like she said things maybe in the I didn't even know and Nipa 100 was a sign here. And people commented and I think that the 5th person was there who posted here. One of our friends and no obe Joe say I was here to post to it or screenshot here on the buy. See now your ban a koya sadian. And no money in the panic asaya na okocha so.
That girl.